What is going on out there, peeps? Okay, look, man, still stocks riding high. It's looking good. Man, I can't stress this enough, and I'm going to be doing this a lot. I have to let you guys know this. I have been studying the bejeebies out of the gold and silver market. If you are not stacking silver right now, man, you are way behind the ball. Now, you see me we talk about this all the time, this global currency reset, the Nasera, the Jacera, whatever you guys want to call it. If you guys are putting all your eggs in one basket, and not diversifying, then you're really going to hurt yourself. Silver and gold, whether it's the Golden Zombie Nation, just throwing that out there for my followers who've been with me since the other YouTube channel. Here's the thing, man, you need to start stacking silver. I highly recommend you guys go to your local gold and silver store first and buy out as much of the silver there as possible. Oh, whatever's coming, silver is going to be a huge part of it. I like gold, don't get me wrong, but you'll see gold go 5 to 7 times its actual value, where silver will outperform the crap out of it, dude. I can't stress this enough. There's this articles I got coming up. I'll share with you guys later, but this is totally something different. Let's get into our favorite stocks that we've been eyeballing since April 21st, and they're still performing well. Look at this. Dude, Discovery Metals, unbelievable. Look at this. $6,000 increase since April if you jump 10,000 in there. All you had to do, keep in mind, when we talked about this is April 21st, I said each one of these, if we dump 10,000 in here, here's where we would be today. That's the difference between your original investment where we are today. 31 cents is now up to 51, $6,299. Endeavor, 145 is now 195. Look at that, $3,448. That's not just these two alone. It's not too shabby. On a $20,000 investment, you're looking at almost 150% increase in 1 month. I'd say that's pretty dang good. Alexco, $1.48 is now $2.18. Look at this, $4,700. Just between the three on 30,000. Whew. Yeah, you can do the math. All right, so First Majestic, $7.53, $9.38, 2,456. Just so you guys know that some of these had a little bit of a retraction. No big deal, mostly in the cryptocurrency area, but that doesn't make a difference. These stocks are still performing well, and they're continuing to climb. As we come out of quarantine and people get over the Rona, people are making chitter chatter. Man, you got to jump on this stuff. Look at this Mega Silver, $9.87 is now $12.63 on a $10,000 investment. You'd have made $2,796. Silvercrest, $6.41, $8.59, $3,400 increase. Now these ETFs, don't get me wrong, the mutual funds are long terms, but they are climbing up a little bit. Okay, you're going to see that. That's not a lot, but we're looking at these long terms, not just down here, but down a little bit more. MGM, look, people, man, are rearing to go. Now, I did retract a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. 13.19, if you'd have jumped on it on the 21st, is now 16.02. You would have made $2,145 on your initial $10,000 investment. WTI, still climbing, $2.11. It's now $2.73. You'd have made $2,938 in just 1 month. Wynn Resorts, $70.40. Now $78.30. Did have a slight retraction, but he still would have made $1,122. Okay, so cryptocurrencies did go up, and now they're starting to run up again, but they did retract big time yesterday because the so-called wallet, okay, for those of you who are into cryptocurrencies will get this. For those of you who are not, you're not going to get this. There's a story that the developer, the guy that created, or guy, woman, group, or whatever you want to call it, Satoshi, has a wallet with X amount of cryptocurrencies in there, Bitcoins that is, tons of them. Well, yesterday, out of a wallet that's been dormant since 2009, about $300,000 worth of Bitcoin was transferred, and it freaked out the crypto market. Why? I have no concern. Just the fact that Satoshi, whoever that person is, whoever they are, moved $300,000 worth of Bitcoin. It didn't seem like a reason to be panicky. Now, had that wallet moved like, oh, I don't know, $1 billion worth, then I get it. But 300,000 caused the market to collapse like it did. Well, it didn't collapse, it dropped big time. But it's already rebounding. It did drop, but it's already rebounded just like that. Look at XRP. When we were first talking about it, was 18 cents. It is now up to 211 for the record. Okay. XLM at 5 cents. I told you guys about this. It's up to 685. You'd have made $3,249 off it just on 1 cent on a $10,000 investment. I told you that Acoin is moving the XLM market. He is building a city, and it's well on its way over in Kenya. The city is going to be operating solely on Acoin XLM cryptocurrency. Keep that in mind. My favorite, of course, Ethereum is 173.41, is up to 208. $2,000 increase on a $10,000 investment in just 1 month is not too bad, but there's a window I told you for me when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So I am keeping an eye on it. USA precious metals, look at this, $19.99. We're up to $1,700 increase. Bitcoin, look at, if you'd have jumped on this when it was back in April 21st and you bought a full coin, you would now be up $3,429. That's a pretty good increase, man. That's not small fries for just 1 month worth of activity. We're not even to the big one that I've been telling everybody about. Perth Mint, 1682 is now 1730. Well, you'd have made a whole whopping $285. But this is the big one, man. I told you guys this. It was up a little higher. It was up at 106 the last time we did this video. But look at it. It's still up to 125. Now, you want to hear something about this? Drexion? Let me show you something if you don't mind, because it's going to blow your mind. When I talk about there are some of these that took a slapping when the Rona got here. This is one of those ones. But let me show you what their 1 year average was prior to the Rona hitting. So this is the day's activity. Let me show you where it was. Boom! It was in the $600 to $700 range before the Rona caused it to drop down here. Look at this. So if I'm looking at the 1 year average, and it's costing me right now $100.25. That's where it is right now. $125 for the stock, and it's usually 6 to 7 times for the yearly average is higher than that. Yeah, you get where I'm coming from? I just wanted to throw that out there because I was staring at that. But when I first was talking about this, it was $63.70. Everything is going to go close to, it'll get there, slowly creeping up to where its yearly average was before the Rona got here. Let's get that chitta. All right, look at this. Drexion. JNUG tickler. That's the big dog, man. Even I'm jumping on that stuff myself. But anyways, if you'd have dumped 10,000 in there on the 21st of April, you would now be up $5,737 before taxes. That's over 150% increase in your monies. All right. Las Vegas Sands, 40.72 is now 47.1, $1,566.80 increase. 1380 for Malco Resorts is up to 1431. You'd have made $369. These other three are just ETFs. I should take these off because they're short term. But these are the ones I like. I told you guys long term we want to look at these ETFs, especially around the South China Sea, unless a war breaks out. Because I tell you right now, China is bucking for a war. They keep messing around with these countries, including Hong Kong, like they're doing. We're about to see some serious stuff happening, considering, what is that? 4 new battleships headed that way? Anyways, a quick reminder, you guys, I do have Pimpy's investment chat. It is the same name as my YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description. Encourage you guys to come and join us because we do talk about all the things I'm talking about now. And I can't stress this enough, man. If you're not stacking silver right now, you're going to miss out on one of the biggest wealth transformations ever. Silver is the key, okay? Trust me. Gold will do good, but gold will not outperform silver. That's just my opinion. Okay, Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes is another group that I have, and I've had it for quite a long time. Okay, you guys. So I encourage you guys to come join us. It is free to do so. If you're into that conspiracy kind of stuff, man, I've had 97 people join since yesterday. 97 people join that group. I guess you guys are into that kind of stuff when you talk about 9/11, false flags, chemtrails, the whole 9 yards. Just talked about it in there. If you're into that kind of stuff, come check it out. I encourage you to do so. All right, you guys. So look at, again, I just want to bring it up. JNUG. Woo! And Discovery Metals. Look at that. Between the two, that's what, $12,000 on a $20,000 investment. That's not too shabby, you guys. That's not too shabby at all. Just wanted to throw that out there. Just think about it. And if you want to mix up a little bit more, then you throw these other two in there. Yeah, that's doing really good. So far, so good for our 1 month of investments. $220,000 investment. We'd have brought back $51,000 before taxes. It's a 24% increase. Last time we did this, which was on Wednesday, we had a 28% increase. We had a 4% decline, but we are rebounding once again. See what happens come Monday. We will see. Talk to you then.